guys, welcome back. So we're back with a little Land Rover mod. This is our Land Rover Defender 2010 Puma. Really awesome vehicle. I love this Landy. If you followed us, you'll see how we made the roof rack for it, and we've done a couple of other mods. I just want to show you a really quick fix, and there's probably something that a lot of Defender owners live with for a long time, and this is it. Open the door, let the door go, and that's exactly what happens. The door doesn't stay open by itself. So I'm going to show you a quick fix that I found. So easy, and you're going to all go and do this. I just know, so quick and easy. I can't make the video longer if I tried. So down here, in between the door and the dash, a little 8mm bolt. And use an 8mm socket. Just lock on the focus there. Into that. We just tighten that up, like that. Pull that socket out, and voila, the door stays open. How cool and easy was that? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.